Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be making this spaghetti salad as well as our homemade zesty summer dressing. And so yeah, so I hope you guys stay tuned and learn how to make this quick and easy recipe that I think your family will love. So I hope you guys can hear me, but we are outside in the garden because for this homemade dressing we are going to need some basil, and because I have basil in my garden, that is what we're going to be adding to it as well. Okay, so to make our zesty summer dressing, we are going to cut up some green onions. Okay, add this into our blender. our fresh washed basil, a spoon of garlic, lemon, honey, rice vinegar, then blend. All right, so now we're just gonna add our dressing on our spaghetti. Okay, so I just finished and look how beautiful this spaghetti salad looks. So let's give it a taste test and see if it is good. So I just want to grab a piece of everything into one bite. Now, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but this is really good. You can taste the honey as well as the lemon. I don't know what it is, but it is just so delicious. This is so good. Audrey, you want to try it?
Sure.
Excuse the way she looks. She just got out of the pool, but this is the real, this is the real taste test because, in my opinion, kids do not lie. Here, let them know that. Like, what is that? Okay, taste it.
I taste the honey though.
It's good.
And the lemon.
You taste the honey and the lemon, right?
Yeah, but just a little bit.
Just a little bit? I can taste it like really, really, like a lot.
Just because of the cucumbers.
Is it good or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.